coming.
This is iconic.
Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, so who's the florist opening a flower shop?
Not us, not us.
Hi.
How you feeling?
How are you feeling? I'm good.
Walk me through it if you have
Okay,
time.
yeah.
How does this all work?
So, people are gonna enter over here at the front, and then Collegium's pretty much gonna be like the first touch point.
Cool.
We're gonna have a matcha cart. I don't know actually where the matcha cart is going to be, but 2 different vendors. One is called Mori House, and then the next one is called ILY FashioNica drink. So there's like a little collab with them.
Yes.
Then I'm Filipino, so they have like Filipino flavored drinks too. This whole room is gonna be like bags.
Is this everything that you got from Tokyo or everything
Yes.
you've had and plus Tokyo?
No, this
All
is like
Tokyo.
everything from Japan. We made some really good shit. Yeah. I appreciate you seeing the vision because I really think that like our brands really do align.
So like button it up. There we go.
And then
That's what she told me. I know.
I thought we were doing.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
basically they'll be hanging out here. Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
Me
these.
and women's and men's as well too.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I want to try that on. It's giving what?
Hello, Momo.
Who's that?
It's like a brand that's known for like the bag with the long shoulder strap.
Ooh. These came in literally 3 hours ago. We got inspired by Japanese denim when we were in Japan, so I wanted to make this. Cute. These little matchbooks that we made are the wish list tree, so you can put down what you wish for. I want Nika to buy Davis a Birkin. It has to be CJ. I want Nika to come to New York. This is where the live streaming area is. So Chloe and Matthew, they're gonna have some bags that they're gonna be auctioning at literally when the doors open at 10 a.m. Fendi Baguette Bakery is coming along. We have our matcha station over here. So Mori House will be here on Saturday. I'm so excited. And then CJ over at Cobbler Concierge. This is gonna be at his station. We have little signs for each area, and this will be the project bags section over here. Some of our favorites. How cute is this? Should I get it? Where the VIP section is, and of course Davis is gonna be the one manning it. Crazy Birkins, Kelly's, Chanel. So this is gonna be the collector's corner where all of the Chanels are. This cute little area thinks it's vintage. We've got a lot of work to do, but we're almost there. It's been a long day. Oh my gosh, this is so surreal. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, all these chairs are gonna go outside. Oh my gosh, FashionNica Fest station, whatnot, merch. Vlog. Kat did my makeup. The makeup looks so good. Okay. Ooh. Get your hair down. Ooh. That's cute. Ooh, girl, how cute. The vlog.
I was like, I don't have an extra Whoa, the line's so long. What are you in charge of today, Shauna?
Jewelry.
Hey!
Diamond bezel necklace.
This one? Yeah, I want it. I'm gonna stay positive.
Good.
Yeah, you got this. We're good.
But since if you can't be here today, I hope that you enjoy the show. So it's like you're here at the event, but through whatnot.
Thank you so much. And there she is. All right. Whoa. Today? Yes. That got purchased today already? Yes. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Live with each other, get to know each other's friends. Then they walk down the aisle.
Oh my god.
This is the line. Whoa, it's so long. Longer than yesterday.
Okay, is everyone in?
Group photo. Doors just opened and it's already chaos.
Just hold that and then wave one of us. And we'll
That one over there in that corner. Are you hoping it doesn't
Keep touching the ladybug bag.
I know, I saw from a mile away. Nice to meet you. Thanks.
What are you getting at FashionNica Fest? Okay. So cute, the slouch.
Stitching the bag to make it look like that. So cute. And like you're so good at selling on them. I've definitely bought a couple of bags from you like after watching your stream because I'm like, oh my gosh, she made this bag look so good.
Okay, we're wrapping up here. Okay, we're wrapping up. Okay. Okay, we're wrapping up. Final hour.